In a previous video we have talked about end function. So here we have this table. We checked if the profit is above that value here, and the profit percentage is greater than this profit of 10%. But today we want to see with false function. It's a very strange function. We want to see how this function could be useful for finding if it's safe to make business in some locations. So let's fill the table. So here we have the first criteria. Here we check if it's profitable. So we have three results that it's okay to make business because they are profitable. But we want to see if the location is safe. So let's suppose the first business is true, it's safe, and so on. Let's fill. So now we want to insert that in the condition. We want to see here it's okay only if the business is safe. So let's edit the formula. We have these two conditions here. First one is about profit, the second is about profit percentage. And now let's insert a condition about this F8 value that should be true, that should be safe. If everything is okay, the profit is good, the percentage is good, and the safe it's okay, then everything is okay. Let's fill. And now you can see not all the businesses are okay, because the last one, this one, it's true, it's safe, but this one it's false, it's not safe. It's a very profitable business, but it's not the area is not safe. So here I not have this it's okay. So the false function, it's very strange. Let's see here. We don't have any things to insert in this formula. We have just false and these parentheses, and the result is a false. Or we can have not and false, and the result is of course true. So this is all the usage of false function, but you can see it's very useful in this case to find our result for safe location for our businesses. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more video. Thank you.